Hello everyone, welcome to Money Nook. In this video, we'll talk about expenses. From this video, you'll have three takeaways. First, you'll understand what's an expense, and then you'll have a look at different types of expenses. And lastly, we will see how we should divide our expenses and group them so that it's easy for us to budget. Let's quickly have a look. Firstly, what's an expense? Expense is if you have to buy a product or if you have to get a service from anyone, it's the money you pay for it. Expenses can be divided into three types. First one is your essential expenses and needs, then your discretionary expenses or wants, and lastly your luxury expenses or dreams. Essential expenses or needs. This is the money that you spend on things you absolutely need. These are must to have. You can't compromise on them. For example, house rent, or you have to buy groceries, or you have to pay school fees, college fees, buy books, medical bills, phone bills, insurance, tax. All of these are must to have. Absolutely. You can't avoid them. These are your essential expenses or needs. Moving on to your discretionary expenses or wants. These are good to have items which make you feel happy if you have them. For example, if you have an Amazon Prime subscription, Netflix subscription, or any newspaper subscription, or if you go out to a hotel, if you order food, or if you go to a movie theater, if you have a cook at home, if you have a maid at home, all of these are not necessities. These are good to have, which will make you feel happy. Next type of expense is luxury expenses or the money that you spend for your dreams. These are aspirational expenses. For example, you want to go for a vacation, you want to go to a spa, you want to pursue your hobbies, you want to go and watch a live match, you want to go to a live concert. All these are your dreams and these are aspirational expenses. So now that we understand the different types of expenses, how much would we need for each of them and how should we plan for it? Let's have a look. Planning for expenses is nothing but budgeting. Whenever you are budgeting, divide all your expenses into three groups. The first group is for monthly expenses, second is for expenses within the year, and last one is for expenses across the years. In the first bucket of your monthly expenses, you will have all such expenses which you will incur every month. For example, rent, utilities, food, salary to the maid, all of this you will have every month. In the second bucket, you will have expenses which you may incur at any point in the year. For example, you want to buy clothes. You won't buy one set of clothes every month, right? You may buy one in January and you may buy five clothes in, let's say, December, and you may not buy anything in between. It is up to you when you buy them and how you buy them. But the guarantee is that you will buy some of this within this year. So you have to budget all of these expenses within the year. And lastly, expenses across the years. In this category, you will have items like furniture, kitchenware, equipment, electronics, etc., which last for multiple years. You don't buy them every year. You buy them to replace your old product or you buy them if you have a new necessity, right? And these expenses should be budgeted across multiple years as they last for a long time. This is how you need to divide the expenses into groups in order to budget. Now let's have a look at the takeaways. We understood what is an expense and the three different types of expenses we may have. And lastly, we saw how we should group our expenses so that it is convenient to budget. Thanks for watching this video. And if you find the content useful, please like this video and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to Money Nook. And don't forget to check out the remaining videos in Know Your Basics playlist. Thank you and bye bye.